Brother need to do something, Thandeka, guys. She's doing too much. People are saying, oh, they're not going to watch Big Brother anymore because of Thandeka's behavior, guys. I doubt she even took a shower today, guys. Thandeka, she's too much. Thandeka was washing her face in a sink full of dishes. Imagine. What about the other housemate, guys? Yes, Abo Lima, they do talk too much. Abo Didi, they are doing so much. But Thandeka, guys, let's be honest. Yes, she is the show, but she's doing too much. Big Brother needs to call her out. No way, guys. Her fans are so embarrassed right now. They don't know what to say, guys. They are busy defending her, saying it's a game. It's a game, Kanjang. Yes, there are other things that you can do to play a game, but this is not a game, guys. Yesterday, she was talking about paying period. She was wearing Bravo B's clothes. And I was like, if I was Bravo B, I'm not going to allow anyone to wear my clothes while you're in your period. Guys, maybe I wish Millie was there to talk to her. Or Ramona, she's busy cooking. She's not saying anything. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Thandeka, she's currently trending and people are not happy. So it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself.